it's Collette from the Speech Meadow, and I'm going to talk today about why I like to use chores, and that I really encourage families to use chores to work on language skills. So I do it because the chore you can make into a really easy routine, and I've talked about routines before and just how important and how valuable it is to use routines. It works on really practical functional language. So language that they're going to hear every day, that they're exposed to. It's usually hands-on, which is really beneficial for kids. There's lots of social interaction if you and your child are working on doing a certain chore. So like putting the groceries away, or doing the laundry, or making the bed together. And then it really does kind of start to teach kids that they can have some personal responsibility, and that they can contribute to the family. I do see fairly regularly, and we're having these conversations about, yes, your kid is delayed. Yes, your kid may have autism or whatever. But they can still do a lot of things, and sometimes families are hesitant to try. Sometimes it's because they don't think that they can do them. Sometimes it's because you just really need to get creative on how they're going to participate and be involved. And sometimes families are just so busy that it takes, they don't have the time to do it, because let's face it, if you're doing these chores with a little person or not so little person, it's going to take more time now to complete that activity. Maybe a year down the road, 2 years down the road, when they're older and you can have higher demands, higher expectations, and they just know how to do it, then yes, it may take less time later on. But for the here and now, it's going to probably take at least 2 or 3 times longer than it normally does. So if you've got laundry piled from the floor to the ceiling, like some families with lots of kids and that do, and you really just need to get it done, that might not be the day to say, hey, Johnny, come help me do the laundry. But if you're able to let them do the laundry and expose them to this stuff early, it really does help, and it really can help boost their language skills. So I do have some sheets, some handouts in my Teachers Pay Teacher store. Some are free. I do have a bundle of other ones. They just kind of look like this. And it just talks about different ways you can use chores to do laundry, or to do a language to do chores, excuse me. Do you absolutely need them? No, but it does kind of take, it's kind of done some of the thinking for you. So anyways, I hope you have a good day. I hope you think about introducing chores to young ones, and have a great day. Bye.